Hey, excuse me, sir.
There must be someone you've confused me for. If I could see someone who knew me or someone in uniform, I really don't belong here. I know you've heard the tune before, screaming at the demons while they push them through the door.
There's a spider in the cab. I locked it in there. Kill it. Thanks for killing it. I
Ain't kill it. I'm afraid of spiders. If I see them all driving, I'll collapse.
A platform.
What is coming out of your butt?
I'm wondering what this party is tonight. It's gonna be fucking awesome.
Unless this guy dies on the train tracks.